Hello everybody and welcome to another video. As you can see, if you watched my previous video, which no one did, but in case someone did, uh, after I am recording this, uh, welcome to another video. And as you can see, I didn't take the whole week off as I was talking about in the last video. I took yesterday off and the whole weekend, and I came back and today feeling really good, and I won the trade finally after 2 months of losing streak. I finally won the trade, and it was in one of the worst trading conditions I've seen. I mean, these last 2 months are all very hard for the price action and reading price action, but today was especially hard, and I'm glad that I managed to actually win this trade, which is great. Uh, Basically, the lose streak is broke. It was very long losing streak. It was 2 whole months. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 trading days long losing streak, uh, which lost me a lot of money. I mean, not real money. Through funded accounts, only one funded account blown, one setting in drawdown. Currently trading on the paper view paper trading account and treating it as a funded before I go back to the funded account. So yeah, let's dive into the trade recap. Uh, First of all, I just want to show you very shortly what is this. Look, this red thing. Uh, this a red streak over here. It's insane. Like everything was good, and then red, millions of red days, 16 red days, and finally one green day. Great way to start the week. As you can see, that this is just like, look at this. It was crazy. My last win was on the 1st April. Yeah, 1st April. That was my last winning day. Damn. So yeah, as you can see, the losing streak is broken. So let me show you how I did it. Honestly, coming into the market, I wanted to see bearish moves. Although we were on all higher. Oh my god, I don't know how to talk. My bad. I'm tired, honestly, already. Uh, we were on every higher time frame. We were bullish, 4 hour, 1 hour, even daily, which I'm not, honestly considering too much most of the time because it just confuses me, not gonna lie. I stick to the 4 hour and 1 hour for the bias. It was really bullish. As you can see, we had this retracement. We disrespected this 4 hour fair value gap. We were reacting off of this. And honestly, if you see on 1 hour, on the market open, we were around here. And I wanted to see at least these fair value gaps getting filled because after previous day high, as you can see, there is no draws on liquidity on higher time frame like here. Oh, this is the next drawn liquidity after previous day high, which is far up ahead. I didn't expect price to reach that today, which it didn't, as you can see, obviously. So yeah, uh, we were obviously reacting off of new week opening gap, but I thought that I can catch a retracement to this 1 hour fair value gaps. Not really London low, that was unreachable from the start. I didn't expect the price to do that, but at least this 1 hour fair value gaps. On the market open, what happened is ES swept Asia high, but NQ swept Asia high and previous day high, which created a bearish SMT, which confirmed my bearish bias once again. Luckily for me, I didn't react very fast as I used to be doing in last 2 months. That's one big win from today. Uh, At 10, there was high impact news, Joe's job opening. If I recall correctly, we can check out. But yeah, job openings, and I wanted to wait for that before uh, I take any trades. So news happen at 10, and what happens on the NQ? It's not really even relative anymore. Like we are past previous day high. On the left side, we got no more draws on liquidity up until this high over here, as you can see. So there is not NQ was not relevant at all today, and here you can see ES leaves literally equal highs with previous day high. And I was like, bet that will 100% be taken out. And also, I did expect this to get swept and then come to 1 hour fair value gap, at least after this Asia high. And what happened here, we leave this equal highs. And I'm like, this must be taken out. It's so obvious. Uh, After that, we get this strong reaction, and as I had a bearish bias, I honestly thought for a moment to take this 1 minute fair value gap and short it to this fair value gap. Luckily for me, risk to reward was really bad on this. I mean, it's not that bad, but it wasn't acceptable for me. Also, this big wick happened, and that's mostly what kept me out of the trade, out of the short today. Um, and honestly, I at this point already, I was like telling myself all the time that I will not be taking any trades today, that it's just not price action to take any trades. I don't take this short and I say like I will stay for few more minutes just in case on the market. Luckily for me, I did that because if I left, I would miss this and I wouldn't break my losing streak. What I see is actually, we disrespect this 1 minute fair value gap. Okay, great. Inversion of that fair value gap. Obviously, I'm not really big fan of taking trades just off of investing 1 minute fair value gap without any fair value gap or something else. Again, as a confirmation, and this would be my trade, and obviously this wouldn't be a proper stop loss. Proper stop loss would be at least here, which is not even one-to-one risk to reward. So I was like, yeah, whatever, these highs will get taken out, but this is no opportunity for trade. And then I see 1 minute fair value gap is forming, and I'm like, this looks hella good. Like this one is inversed, and this one is creating like, and this is equal highs. Like drawn liquidity is strong, and I'm like, bet I'll take that. You can see here, I marked out SMT on 5 minute, but I'm not going to lie, I didn't see it. I didn't see the SMT on the 5 minute while entering the trade. I honestly saw it just now while I was doing my trade recap in TradeZella, and I was like, wow, okay. So I also had that confirmation. I didn't have it at that moment, so it was a little bit riskier trade without hard time frame confirmation from 15 or 5 minute. Apparently there was a confirmation, but I wasn't just paying enough attention to it. So I got a little bit lucky. You know, you need to get lucky sometimes in order to achieve something. Uh, so yeah, I longed this 1 minute fair value gap, put my stop loss underneath the third candle and 1 minute low, 1 minute order block, and targeted these equal highs. Once we were past this 1 minute high, I put myself on break even. I'm like, I'm not going to risk losing another trade because market was very choppy. As you can see, very choppy consolidation all throughout the New York session up until I didn't take the trade. Thank God. Uh, in the past, there was always like I take the trade and then the market goes sideways. Before that, it was trending. Today was on my luck different from that, and I'm grateful for that. And the trade hit TP in how many minutes? Like 5 minutes. That's all that took, and I was very satisfied with that. Walked off of my computer, went to the gym very happy. So yeah, that was the trade from today. losing streak is broken off. I didn't show you this. So I risked 0.5% because at Friday, am I right? Was it Friday? Yeah, it was Friday. I lost a trade. I lost 0.9098%, and as I said, I created this paper trading account just so I can treat it as a funded. So I'm trading it as exactly like I would trade a funded challenge until I pass the funded challenge. Let's say on this, I'm not going back to my challenge account because there is no point in losing another account if I can't pass it right now. So I am gathering confidence through this. I risked 0.5% to be precise. Trading view entered with 0.42% risk, and I made 0.91% back, so it was 2.17 risk to reward trade. And yeah, I'm now at break even. I will just ignore this minus $70. It's like not really mentionable and that much big of a deal. So I'm at full risk from today on, and I can risk 1% again. Uh, Throughout this whole week, I will for sure be really cautious because it's tricky week. As you can see, we have a lot of news, NFP week, and it looks to me as another really choppy week. So I will be careful with that. But yeah, a losing streak is broken. Better now than never, am I right? And yeah, I don't want to keep this video recording just a bit too long. Thank you so much for watching if you did watch. If you are interested in my journey on this everything literally, leave a subscribe, like this video, type something in the comments if you came here, if you have any questions. I know I'm not right now profitable, but as I said many times, I've been trading for over 3 years now, and I have some experience, so I can still help you with something. I can give you advice on something because I went through a lot right now, and I know some things. So if you need any help with anything and you think I might help you, feel free to ask. I will be very happy to help you. And yeah, I'll see you tomorrow after another trading day. Finally, a winning day, and now I'm again hyped to trade. So yeah, thank you so much for watching and see you tomorrow.